Today I'm working on this Toro Time cutter. It's a SS5000. It's got a 50-inch mower deck on it. And the problem that he's having with it is it has a really bad cut. It's uneven, all choppy, and just not mowing grass the way that it should. He said that he had hit something about a week or two ago and it got jammed up under the deck. And I'm going to show you all the things that I've found that's wrong with it. And we're going to fix this thing and get it back to where it's mowing even all the way across the lawn. Enjoy the video. First thing I see is this thing is really caked up with some grass. The blades are in bad shape. We're going to take those off and take a real good look at them. And then also on the other side, I'm going to zoom in on this pulley up here at the top. You can see that this pulley is tilted compared to this one right here and the other one on the other side. This one is tilted in like that. This is bent and we're going to have to straighten that out. That's going to throw that blade off on the bottom. Just a safety tip here. I'm going to scrape this deck off. I've got two putty knives. This one I've kind of ground with a curve in it, and then this one's just flat. But anytime you're doing this, take these blades off of it. I actually did a video where I was doing something up underneath there and I cut my finger when I hit the edge of that blade. There's a nut in there. Get on that. Lean up where I can get arm around it. Put a socket on the other side and hold it. Ouch. Oh, God. Oh, man. So you want to just take them off of there. You don't want to cut your fingers. I'm going to clean this thing up and I'll be right back. Okay, here's our old blades sitting next to the new blades. And these are only a year and a half, maybe 2 years old. But anyway, this is what happens when you sharpen your blades from the back side. Okay, I've taken a straight edge and put it from top to bottom on the deck and measured it. On all three blades, I've got 1 inch, 3/4 of an inch, and then this one over here, 1 inch. I'm going to try to do this without taking this off of there, because I know as soon as I try to, these bolts are going to break off inside of that and we'll have to buy a new assembly, and I don't want to do that. From this point, we've identified where it's bent. Now we just need to get out our creative mind, a few big hammers, and try to pound it back where it should be. Be very careful not to hit that spindle assembly because it's aluminum and it will break. This would be so much easier to pound this area out without the spindle assembly installed. These are tough decks to bend, but like I said, the bolts that mount the spindle assembly are gonna break off inside the assembly and you have to replace it with a new one. That just wasn't in the budget. The back side of the blade had to be forced down opposite the direction of the front was being moved, as you can see in the picture with the arrow. I had to do this on the top side of the deck. Hopefully you get the picture of what you need to do to straighten this thing out. After maybe 15 to 20 minutes of pounding, installing the blades, measuring, I've got it back to where it's about 1/16 of an inch close to where it should be. So it's time to put the deck back on, mow a little grass, and see how well this thing works. Well, from what I'm seeing, it's cutting the grass pretty good. But if you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got some good information out of it. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. Join the channel. Got a lot of videos up there. Got a lot more coming. Ring that notification bell to get notified as soon as I put them up there. Remember to stay safe in the shop. Always wear your safety glasses. And have fun. Thank you for watching.